This nutritious plant-forward meal is inspired by the flavors of Morocco. Sweet potato tagine with chermoula, apricot couscous, and olive oil fried walnuts. Here, I have extra virgin olive oil that I've heated to 350 degrees in a deep skillet. For the components of this dish, I'm using olive oil with a medium green fruitiness. Add the squash, fry until golden brown, then remove and drain on a rack-lined pan. In the same oil, fry the sweet potatoes until golden brown and remove to a rack-lined pan. Lower the heat slightly and add the Anaheim chilies. Stir the chilies frequently until the outside skin is transparent, has started to blister, and the peppers have become soft. Remove and set aside to cool. Once cooled, pull away the skin. Place the potatoes and squash in a decorative pattern in the tagine, alternating with the squash and potatoes, and top them with the pepper slices. Sprinkle with capers, scallions, preserved lemon peel, and Parmesan cheese. Bake for 20 minutes in a 375-degree oven. Remove the tagine from the oven and let sit for 5 minutes. I'm going to serve the tagine with couscous I'm making with cinnamon, cloves, orange peel, extra virgin olive oil, dried apricots, and raisins. Next, let's make the chermoula vinaigrette. Place onions, toasted cumin seeds, parsley, cilantro, lemon juice, paprika, garlic, and olive oil in a food processor and process to a coarse consistency. Drizzle in the olive oil to emulsify. Season with salt and pepper. Now let's finish our dish. Drizzle the chermoula vinaigrette onto the tagine. Serve the tagine with couscous topped with olive oil fried walnuts. This sweet potato tagine with chermoula vinaigrette, apricot couscous, and olive oil fried walnuts is a fabulous vegetarian dish that can be served as an individual or shared entree.